Directeur. Ujya kuza umwarimu mushyashya. Ubona atari namubona. Nta kibazo nazo ubwo nyine ndamwohereza. Ndamurangira azi. Sawa.
For yeah, you got it. They give me.
Hey, wake up. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Okay. No? Okay. How are you? How are you? So please, using English only. But me, I can speak here. I cannot speak here around here. How are you? Okay. Let's continue. Where can I find the headmaster of this school? Where I can find the headmaster of this school? Headmaster? Yeah, I can find it. The headmaster
It's off. It's off.
Where I can find the headmaster of this school. So please, I am going quickly. I don't have time here. Huh? Okay. Headmaster. Yeah. Headmaster.
Yeah, like for yeah, you got it.
Ebari I try to do something. Sibyo. Katari aga. Okay, thank you. See you. Uvuga ikinyarwanda ariko? So please, where can I find the headmaster of this school? Headmaster of this school.
Shari mu bicara byo bari kuzana by'uniga. Ubu ngaho ukumbira mu kivuga itsavuga vuba.
Yeah, like for yeah, you got it. They give me.
Umutwe. Wowe gushaka kumbwira kwa muswe kandi kwa muswe nawe. Ko turi gisenyi kumbaza kwa hedi. Hedi na ndi kuvuga aje kumbaza.
Stupid. I tell you.
Stupid. So please,
I want you to give me the location where he's the headmaster of this school. So please give me the location.
Umuntu kubaza abo headmaster ntazinjuza wari usukara umwarimu wani.
Wait.
Kwereke ngo ngakugira iki? Akugira ibikira.
You speak what?
Oh, akambi bibiri nabyo ni biba anye urinde shaka mutaje ukora iki hano? Waje ukora iki hano?
I am a new teacher.
Go uri teacher?
I'm a new teacher. I come from Nigeria.
Sibibazigisha none.
What if it
bari kuzana abarimu nibi bipira ibikoti.
Not joking with me. I want to tell me where is the head teacher of this school now.
Ngewe nigisha ikinyarwanda.
So please, I'm not joking with you.
Tuge ikinyarwanda sha.
If you want joking with me, I will beat you.
Nukanunga urutoki we nukanunga urutoki ngenda bazi iyo butage gutunga urutoki bamushaka kugwana. Wenge nimba ushaka kugwana ngiye tumwereka. Yesu ngena ngenda naje gukinana uri kuvuga
What?
we tazanamenyera sha.
Please give me.
Ngewe none naguteza abanyeshuri banje hano ngenge nigisha ngo bakanakwereka. Ngiye nakuteza n'abanyeshuri njye hano ngenge nigisha bakanakwereka.
I'm not joking with you. So please.
Kanta. Brother, I'm going to give you za Dubai tubyigira muri Amerika twige twagiye no mu Bufaransa twigo hose twara kumva genere geni igitongereza niga no mu mahanga ukumva uturagabanya n'ubwo bugigera twige ibyongereza twige twatwarishije abarigisha kumva ngene ahita guca Yes ko nizi cyongereza no mu migeri yose je gazanda good morning sha.
Yes, it's good morning. Yeah.
Hey,
where's the headmaster?
Aho ngaho niho kigarukiye. Aho ngaho niko kigarukiye.
Jesus.
Nuga Francis kaje teme. Kaje teme, karuza. Aho ngaho cyane.
I don't have time here, bro. I want to.
Time.
The headmaster, so please give me the location of the headmaster.
Hajya sinzi ku cyakinye gigera bajya bakita cya headmaster ariko tambuka kuri nimba ari wanyura hano da wagenda ugahita ukata gutya ugahita uvanuka ariko utega ikiremwa ufite n'igitwa kinini utambuka gutya iyo ngegera uri gushaka
Right.
gira ukate ugende gutya
Yes, thank you.
uhita ubona iyo ngegera urembwamwa
Nigga, the Konoko manifestation goes.
You be mumu. You think say they
Tearing the screen. Kanoko nika oji ndaga. Ugo na data zashi na ndaga screen. And the posters are na redo ndaga.
dissolve.
John ne class. Zongo kuja muri wese sha. Zongo kuja muri wese.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Is you the headmaster of this school? Do you? You is the headmaster of this school? New teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, me.
Teacher.
I'm the new teacher. Yeah.
Teacher. So mwera kakubira. Nisoje gukora iki hano?
So please using English only.
English.
But me, I cannot use Kinyarwanda here.
Hano ni kubiro ntabwo
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
ntabwo atuye English. English.
Yeah.
Ntabwo baga hano.
You don't know how to speak English. Kiswahili.
Kiswahili?
Yeah.
Mombasa twaravuga turabivuga cyane. Cya Kiswahili. Na bya komanyo.
Tell you, I am not capable to speak Kinyarwanda, but me, I am using English only. Here, I am not capable to speak Kinyarwanda. You understand me?
Isinya nazimbwa barazitoraguye kwe. Ikinyarwanda mwana w'imba.
Yoheri kuri kundwanya n'abandi ukumva getse.
Dissolve.
Okay. Puh.
Kono ibi byarimo bizadukuramo imyuka. Gende imbwe tuzi kabanyo. Ukagera mu ngenge ndazo kandi jisho kabanyo.